Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rakesh. So right now I'm in my field. So this is like 100 meters far from our home. So it's evening time. So I have come here for just walk. So I have done so much work in all day. So right now it's walking time. So that's why I have come here. So you can see around me this all the villagers field. In our village there are hundreds home. Yes, there are 100 homes in our village. So this all field you can see. So this all fields actually relate to our villagers. So 100 families land field are here. So right now I have come here to my field to look after my field, to see my field, because these days wheat we have grown wheat crop in our field. But the thing is that there are some stray animal like ox and some other uh, forest animal. They actually come to our field, okay, and they destroy our field, our wheat crop. So right now this is our uncle field. So I can see here in this wheat crop, actually stray animal have destroyed that wheat crop, and this is our field. So from this side, I think this side, 2 and 3 days ago, some forest animal they actually destroy our wheat crop. So now actually I have fixed the fancy here, but the thing is that that stray animal actually jump from that fancy and enter in our field. So you can see there, we can also stand there some statue to scare the stray animal, but they actually see that statue, but they do not scare. So my friend, some forest animal actually come from this side. I will show you the side. This is the forest side. So this side actually forest animal actually come from this side. So the thing is that this time in 2026, so many villagers persons field wheat crop actually has been destroyed by stray animal, ox and some other forest animal. So but we can't do anything. We just try to protect our field. We can try to protect our field, but we can't look after our field 24 hours. So that is the thing. This time animals they are destroying field wheat crop. So but in our some other field like nearby our home, there are 4 field. Okay, so we have grown wheat crop in that field. So that field is safe, and that wheat crop is also safe. Okay. But this side it's 100-meter far from our home. So this side that wheat crop has been destroyed by stray animal. So that is not a good thing, but we can't do anything. That is nature of that is the nature of animal, because they also have to eat something. So we can't do anything, we just protect our field. So my friend, you can see here in my hand, what is this called in English? This is called in English sickle. We can say in Hindi language that is darati. So we actually call this in English sickle. Okay, so that is sickle. So we actually use that sickle to cut the grass from the tree. Okay, so there are like 2 and 3 species of tree where we actually cut the grass for our animal. Okay, so we use that sickle to cut the grass. So my friend, I will show you, this is the field. Okay, so this time wheat crop is not looking good, because this is February. I think it's about the end of the February month. Okay, but the wheat crop is just a small. Okay, like it's not getting mature. Okay, so that is the thing. So my friend, I will show you, there are so many tree. You can see there are so many tree. But the thing is that in city we can't see such kind of different types of tree. We can see that different type of tree in village and in hilly areas. Okay, so that is hilly areas. So you can see there is a forest, that is a small forest. So there is a stream down there, and across the stream we have to climb up little bit, and there are some villages. Okay, so okay, I will show you that bamboo trees. Okay, there are so many bamboo trees. Okay, and you can see that is the tree. I will show you that tree. That tree actually, that tree grass to use to feed the animal. So my friend, I just want to share one thing. This time, wheat crop is not getting good, not getting good because of rain. Because actually one time in the nearby the last month of January, actually it rained this side. Okay, so that's why that wheat crop actually started growing properly. But right now that wheat crop actually required rainy water. Okay, but the thing is that God is not falling rain in our area. So the thing this time, this in 2026, we will not able to collect that much wheat grain that we used to collect in 2025. So my friend, I'm just trying to speak and express what is around me. And I just trying to explore some villager life. So my friend, I will there here. This is the grass meadow. Okay, that field belong to the person who actually live in another village. So right now this this all land. Okay, that actually used to be wheat field, but right now it's abandoned. Okay, so the thing is that uh, these days people actually do not want to work. People do not want to work hard. People do not want to work in field. They just want to do job. Okay, they just want to earn money. But the thing is that I want to say one thing. If they just want to earn money, but we can't eat money. We can't fill our stomach with money. So we need grain, wheat grain, maize, wheat, and some other grains and vegetables. Okay, so money can't fill our stomach. Okay, money can fill our stomach, but that wheat grain is also important for our life. Because there are so many products in market that actually that are made by the grain, like wheat grain, maize grain, and some other millets. So grain is important. So it's important to work hard, and it's important to grow grains in the field. So it's message to all the villagers and farmer. Okay, that don't don't give up and don't abandon your field. Okay, just cultivate your field, grow some wheat, just not for a sell purpose, just for your family, your own purpose. Okay, for your family. So we should grow wheat for our family, not for sell purpose. Okay, so we can eat that organic things that is grown in our field. So right now I'm going back to my home. Okay, so that's it for today video. So please comment, write in comment uh, how did you find this video. Okay, and if you have some suggestion, then you can also write in comment and give me some suggestion how I can, like what kind of video should I make. Okay, so thanks for watching. We will meet in next video.